Good morning, everyone. Today we are celebrating our 7th International Yoga Day. At first everyone sit in a comfortable position with the neck, head, and spine should be erect. Everybody concentrate your breathing. Deeply inhale, exhale, and totally normalize your breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Next, we are going to Omkar chanting or Udgit Pranayam 5 times. Let's start. First, take a long deep breath. Let's start. Relax. Again, concentrate your breathing. Deeply inhale, exhale according to your requirement and totally normalize. Next, join your palm in Namaskar Mudra. We are starting prayer with me. At first, take a long deep breath. Let's start. Om Shangachadam Shambhadadam Shambho Munasi Janatam Devabhagyam Yatha Purve Sanjanana Pashyati. Relax. Inhale, exhale, and totally normal. Next, we are going to practice according to YCP Yoga protocol. First, we are starting with neck movement or neck stretching. Left to right and right to left. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Again, concentrate on breathing. Always remember one thing. Always concentrate on breathing. Breathing is very vital. Breathing without. Totally normalize the breathing. Next, neck movement. Up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Remember one thing, before and after every exercise, your breathing should be normal. Next, we are going to laterally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Again, inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Normalize the breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Totally normalize the breathing. Always conscious about your breathing. Next, we are going to neck circling. If you are suffering vertigo, then don't do it. Otherwise, doing with me in your 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Now reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Inhale, exhale, and normalize it. Breathe in, breathe out. Totally normalize. Next, we are going to shoulder exercise. Hands on your shoulder. Flexion, extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Stay in this position, few seconds, and totally normalize the flow. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Next, we are going to shoulder rotation. Try to touch your both elbows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Again, inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Normalize the breath. Next, shoulder muscles rolling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now front side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. And totally normal. Next, we are doing some standing and exercise. Stand in a comfortable position. Keep your neck, head, and spine totally erect. Next, we are going to trunk twistings and chair movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Relax. Inhale, exhale, and normalize it. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Totally normalize. Next, we are going to knee movement or knee exercise. If you are suffering from knee problem, sit up, then don't do it. Otherwise, you can do. It's very beneficial for your knees. And chair according to your shoulder level. Now down, down, down. Stay in this position. It is called Uttanasana or half chair. Try to 10 to 15 seconds hold. Breathing always normal. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale, totally normal. Minimum 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Relax. Inhale, exhale, and normalize. Breathe in, breathe out. Next, we are going to balancing postures. It's called tree postures. How to do it? Single leg balance like this. Stay in this position. Concentrate your balance. Concentrate your breathing. At first, stand in Namaskar Mudra. Spread your hands slowly. Now up. Stay in this position. Breathe in. Breathe out. Inhale. Exhale. It is very beneficial for your mental balance and physical balance. Relax. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Again, back to the same position. Namaskar Buddha. Relax. Now change your leg. Stay this position. Again, concentrate your breathing. Concentrate your body balance. Now concentrate yourself. Now spread your hands up. Try to touch. Stay in this position. It is called Vrikshasana or tree posture. It is very beneficial for your mental and physical health. It is developing your concentration power. Relax. Slowly, slowly. Again, back to the same position. Breathe in, breathe out. Totally normal. Down slowly. Repeatedly I am telling, your breathing should be normal. Breathe in, breathe out. Before and after every exercise, your breathing should be normal. Next, you are going to Trikonasana or triangle posture. How to do it? Minimum 2.5 feet gap in between two legs. Hands according to shoulder level. Down with exhale. Down. Look upward. Maintain your shoulder level, hands level. Stay this position. 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax. Back to the same position. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now change your side. At the same pattern. Look up. Inhale, exhale, and normalize. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again back to the same position and normalize. Breathe in, breathe out. Totally normalize. Again, same position. Inhale, exhale, totally normalize. Next we are going to front bending exercise according to yoga protocol. It is called Padahastasana. If you are suffering from lumbar problem, then avoid it. Otherwise, you can do it. It is very beneficial for your transition posture and another complication. Leg to be strong. Posture. Now raise your hands. Down with exhale. Front bending always exhale. Down, down, down. Slowly, very slow. Don't jerk. Don't jerk. Don't jerk. Before it try to touch your knee, if it is possible. Minimum 10 seconds first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax, slowly. Up, up, up. Okay, again back to the same position. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Totally normalize. Padahastasana. And inside. Next we are going to back bending. It is also if you are suffering lumbar problem, then you can do it. It is very beneficial for your lumbar problem. How to do it? And here it's called Ardha Chakrasana. Just half will fold. Down with it, down with inhale. Back bending always inhale. Minimum 10 seconds hold according to your capacity. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Again back to the same position. Inhale, exhale. Totally normalize the breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Next we are going to sitting postures. How to sit? Spread your leg. It is called Dandasana. If you are fixed, stay this position. Breathe in, breathe out, and totally normalize. Okay. Next we are going to again front posture. Paschimottanasana. Raise your hand. Down with it. Down, down, down. Breathe it and try to touch your forehead to your knee. Don't jump. Stay this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in and breathe out. Always remember one thing, before and after every exercise, your breathing is normal. Next we are going to Bhadrasana. How to do it? Hold your both legs like this. It's called Bhadrasana. Sit in a comfortable position. The breathing should be normal. Breathe in, breathe out. Totally normal. Every inhale. Slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Totally normalize. Now spread your legs one side. Breathe in, breathe out. Totally normalize the breathing. Next we are going to Vajrasana. It is very beneficial for our digestive system. Before and after every meal, you can do this posture. Hold your legs, both legs, hands on your knees. Stay this position. It is Vajrasana or diamond pose. Breathe in, breathe out. Totally normalize the breathing. It is also supple your leg muscles. Try to stay according to your capacity. Breathe in, breathe out. Totally normalize. Always conscious your breathing. Next, we are going to again back bending or sitting postures. It's called Urdhva Uttanasana. How to do it? Sit in this position. I'll demonstrate inside me. Just hands on your waist and back bending with inhale. Stay this position. Minimum 10 seconds hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Again back to the same position. It's very beneficial for your lumbar problem or back. Next, advanced pose is Uttanasana. Set hands on your hip. Another plan. Stay this position. Practice 30 seconds. Okay. Stay according to your capacity. Now minimum 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Sit down properly. Breathing it out. And totally normal. Deeply inhale, exhale, and normal exhale. Next, we are going to Sasankrasana. Always remember, always do it. One front bending exercise, another is back bending, and back bending, another is front bending. Now front bending exercise is Sasankrasana. Spread your leg like this. I think is it visible for you? Now hands here. Stretch your hands. Stretch your hand. And chin try to touch the floor. Stay this position according to your capacity. Minimum 10 seconds hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Again back to the same position. Inhale, exhale, and normal exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Totally normal. Next, we are going to some front postures, supine postures, according to yoga protocol. At first, lie down on your belly, like this. Stay this position. It is called Makarasana. It's a relaxing posture. If you are feeling unwell, then stay this position. Minimum 10 seconds. Then we are going to Bhujangasana or Cobra. It is also very beneficial for your back. How to do it? There are various types of Bhujangasana or Cobra pose, but I am doing something for your yoga protocol, according to yoga protocol, to do not like stay this position. Try 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Again, we are back to resting postures or Makarasana, like breathe in, breathe out, and totally normalize. Breathe in, inhale, exhale, normalize. Next, we are going to Salbhar, according to yoga protocol. It is also very beneficial for your back pain or sciatica pain. Stay this position. Follow me properly and sit here. Now lift your head. Minimum 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax. Without jerking. Don't jerk. Do it according to your capability. Breathe in, breathe out, and totally normalize the breathing. Breathe inhale, exhale, according to your requirement. Next, back to the same position. Now I am going to Vajrasana. Inhale, exhale, and normalize the breathing. Totally normalize the breathing. Next, we are going to some supine posture. At first, lie down on our back. It is called Savasana. It's a relaxing posture. Stay this position few seconds. Totally normalize the breathing, normalize your blood circulation. Next, we are going to, according to yoga protocol, Utthana Padasana. It is very beneficial for your lower abdominal fat. How to do it? And besides your chest, and slowly rise the leg. Stay this position. Not below than 2 inches. The rise not below than 2 inches, not more than 90. Try to hold 45-degree angle. Inhale, exhale, and normalize. Relax. Again back to the Savasana. Breathe in, breathe out. Totally normalize the breathing. Next, we are going to some advanced Utthana Padasana, which is called Ardha Halasana. Again, double leg rising like this, 90 degrees. It's Ardha Halasana. And 15 seconds hold. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Again back to Savasana. Breathe in, breathe out. Totally normalize. It is also normalize your thyroid gland. Gastric rest. Next, we are going to some lying spinal extension exercise. According to yoga protocol, Shatru. At first, fold your knee and touch your heel and try to lift. This is called Setu Bandhana. Do it according to your capacity. Don't get overjudged. Minimum 10 seconds hold. Breathe in, breathe out. Normalization. Relax. It is also help for your back pain movement. Breathe in, breathe out. Totally normalize it. Breathe. Breathe inhale and exhale. Totally normalize the breathing. Now, again, sit in comfortable position. Breathe in, breathe out. Totally normalize the breathing. Next, we are going to some Kriya or Pranayama. At first, we are going to Kapalabhati. It's a Kriya. How to do it? Everybody sit in comfortable position as you wish. You can sit Padmasana, Siddhasana, Vajrasana, whatever way. But one thing remember, your head, neck and spine should be straight, not erect. I am sitting in Padmasana. How to sit? Right feet on left side, left feet on right. Try to sit in Chin Mudra or Gyan Mudra. Try to touch your index and thumb finger touch. It is called Gyan Mudra or Chin Mudra. At first, we are doing Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati is just simple exercise, breathing exhale with force. It is very beneficial. It's a cleansing process for your health. There is benefits of Kapalabhati. According to Patanjali, there is no disease in earth which cannot be cured by Kapalabhati pranayama. So we can do it minimum 5 to 10 minutes. We can every day. Okay, now I am demonstrating. Like concentrate only yourself. Breathing, exhaling. minimum 30 seconds, 30 strokes within 60 seconds, like this. Relax. Again, concentrate your breathing. Deep inhale, exhale according to your requirement. If you are suffering from high blood pressure, that time you can doing it very slow now. Okay. Inhale, exhale, and totally normal. Next, we are going to some pranayama. At first, we are going to Anulom Vilom Pranayam or Narushodhana, alternative nostril breathing. It is also very beneficial for arthritis. How to do it? At first, close your right nostril, inhale through left nostril, then close, try to hold 2 seconds, then exhale through right nostril. Then inhale through right nostril, close, exhale through left nostril. Repeat it minimum 11 times. Inhale, close, exhale slowly. Always remember exhalation. Try to exhalation always greater than inhalation. Inhale, close, exhale. Inhale, close, exhale slowly. Inhale, close, exhale. Inhale, close, exhale. Inhale, close, exhale. Minimum 11 to 22 times. Relax. Again back to the same position, hands on your knees and totally normalize it. Breathe in, breathe out and normalize it. Next we are going to second pranayam according to yoga protocol, Bhamri pranayam. How to do it? At first block your ear, eyes, also my mouth also, and pronounce Om. How to do it? Follow me properly. You can do either close your eyes or first block your eyes with your thumb finger, index touch to your forehead, and another finger touch your nostril. Okay. Now Om pronounced minimum 5 times without open your mouth, just like a humming, like this. Let's take a long deep breath. Let's start. Relax. Hands on your knees. Again, concentrate your breathing. Deeply inhale, exhale according to your requirement. Totally normal. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe out. without. Inhale. Exhale. Totally normal. Next, we are going to meditation. Everybody sit in comfortable position. Keep your neck, head and spine totally straight. Keep your back straight. Now again concentrate your breathing 3 to 4 times. Keep the inhale exhale, then close your eyes like me. Let's start. Everyone focus on your breathing and try to totally normalize. Now concentrate yourself, concentrate your physical body. Try to like scanning upper part to lower. If you are audible, then follow my instruction properly. Head, forehead, eyebrows, eyes, nose, mouth, neck, shoulder, hand, chest, abdomen, waist, thigh, knee, ankle joint, ankle, feet. Totally relax your body, including your mind. If you are not concentrating, then you can concentrate your breathing. Count wise, 1 with inhale and 2 with exhale. And try to normalize. Now concentrate yourself. Now concentrate your soul. Just feel I am a peaceful soul. I am a powerful soul. Try to soul come, not body come. Body is just the first thing. Just feel I am actor of this. I am a pure soul. Feel the blank state. Feel the blank state. Again focus. Within. Without. Totally new. Relax. Now rub your palm. Touch your closed eyes, slightly massage, hands back on your knees, normalize the breathing, totally normalize the breathing. Next we are going to prayer. At first join your palm in Namaskar Mudra, concentrate your breathing, breathe in, breathe out. So, pray with me. At first, take a long deep breath. Let's start. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina Sarve Shantu Niramaya Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhagave. Om Shanti Santi Santi